Imagine a world where cow burps are a climate villain. Yes, you heard it right. Cows produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas, through their digestive process. Surprisingly, a single cow can emit up to 220 pounds of methane annually. This quirky fact makes cows one of the largest contributors to methane emissions, surpassing even some industrial sources. It's a moving revelation that highlights the unexpected impact of agriculture on climate change. Next time you see a cow, remember its burp is more than just a sound. Like, comment, and subscribe for more surprising stories.